Hey to all craft beer lovers. Thank you for joining me for this beer review. Guys, let's head off for a little bit of Lumberjack breakfast. Yeah, guys, we're going to Vault City out of Edinburgh in Scotland. And they have teamed up with Three Sons Brewing Company. I think these guys are I think they're out of the US, I believe. This is their triple stacked Lumberjack Breakfast Imperial Stout coming in at 11.5% ABV, 330ml can. They say triple stacked Lumberjack Breakfast is an Imperial Stout brewed in collaboration with Three Sons Brewing Company, combining their Lumberjack series with a triple stacked dose of waffle, pancake, and maple syrup indulgence. Extended boil times and heavy maple additions crank the sweetness and stickiness to the extreme, making this most vicious stout we've brewed to date. A rich malt bill holds it all together, delivering stacked breakfast flavors, full-bodied sweetness, and a long syrup-soaked finish. Yeah, I'll say, look at that. Look at that artwork. Absolutely cool. Yeah, and that axe there, yeah, man, pancakes and everything. Yeah, there we go. Contains water, malted barley, gluten, brown sugar, oats gluten, wheat gluten, maple syrup, hops, and yeast. There we go, guys. Maple syrup. Yeah, man, let's go for it. See what we get. So this is probably going to be very, very sweet. There we go. Okay. Yeah, well, I'm in for a sweet old stout, guys. Sometimes you just want that, don't you? There we go. Oh, yeah, man. Look at that. Look at that cascading effect. And I'm going to pour every drop in. Give it the old shake to get everything in. Yes, sir. Oh, man, this looks good. Oh, man, look at that. Look at that. We got a little bit more than a finger's worth of brown head, jet black beer all day long in that glass. It looks absolutely fantastic. You can hear the carbonation roar on the nose. I mean, it's sweet and sticky on the nose. That massive sweetness. I mean, yeah, like pancakes, pancakes in syrup. That's what I get on the nose. Almost like a jammy sweetness too coming through. It's very sweet, let me tell you. So without any further ado, guys, let's dive in. Cheers. Oh man. Oh man, that's a fantastic beer. Guys, oh, this has to be the best maple syrup infused Imperial Stout that I've ever tried. Because, in many Imperial Stouts, they talk a lot about, uh, maple syrup, but unfortunately, they don't add enough. Maybe you get a hint of it, and sometimes it's a decent hint, but this is full on maple syrup. Absolutely fantastic. Again, oh man, oh man. Mm, yeah, full on maple syrup, sweet, sticky, dark malts, almost like a bit of coffee in there, dark coffee, super sweet, syrupy, sticky, sweet. almost like raisins and dates coming through. This is good. This is really good. Scaringly good. They don't kid around. They don't kid around, guys. This is exactly what it says on that label. You can see it there on the label, guys. Look at that. They say triple stacked Lumberjack breakfast Imperial Stout, and that's exactly what you're getting here. Absolutely fantastic. Final sip. Absolutely fantastic beer. Yeah. Fantastic. Fantastic. Guys, if you like your maple syrup, if you like a maple syrup infused stout, this is probably the best option out there. This is really good. Yeah, it's gonna raise your blood glucose, but who cares, right? Vault City Brewing out of Scotland, together with Three Sons Brewing Company. This is their triple stacked Lumberjack Breakfast Imperial Stout, 11.5% ABV. Absolutely fantastic for what it is, guys. For what it is, they have certainly been very generous. I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5. Absolutely fantastic. Thank you for watching, and cheers.